Great morning, student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we going to start our chapter number 2nd. Our chapter name is Log on to Access. In this chapter we learn about the access. So student, let's continue.
Setting the data type for a field. You can set the data type for the table field by working in either datasheet view, design view. Setting data type in datasheet view. When you create a field by either entering data in datasheet view, SS 2016 automatically assign the data type to the field based on the data type have entered in the table. To define a specified data type for a field, click on the drop down arrow of the click add header and choose the required data type from the display list. Click on the required data type that you want to assign to the field from the data type gallery present in add and delete group from the field tab. You can reset the change and data type of a field as when required by clicking on its header, selecting the required data type from the data type drop down list in the formatting group. Tips: if you don't find the desired data type in the data type gallery, then click on the more field button and present in the add delete group. Setting data type in the design view. When you add a field table in design view, by default each field is assigned a short text data type. To change the defined specified data type for a field, click on the drop down arrow in the data type column and field select the desired data type display list. Field property. Field property apply to the particular field in a table and define the characteristics of that field. Each field in a table has its own set of property that further define the field and how it is used. You can set the property of a field in a design view as well as datasheet view. To set the field property in a design view, click on the field name in which you want to set. We will observe the journal tab and is selected default the field property pane. Set the property of all the fields as required. After finishing the task, you must save the table by clicking the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Click on the File tab and select the Save options. Field property description. Field size. This property is used to specify the maximum size of the data store. It is available of the sort number auto number data type. Format. This property specifies the display layout of the field. It has the different option number, date, time and logical data. You can select the predefined format and enter custom format. Input mask. It specifies the pattern for the data to be entered in the field. For example, you can choose the input mask for a password field. Caption. The caption property specifies the label for a field to display as the column heading whenever the table display in data view. It can contain up to 2046 characters. Default value. You can use the default value property to specify the value that is automatically entered in a field when the new record is entered. User can either accept the value, enter new. Validation rule. With the help of property, we can limit value and can enter. For example, if the field validation rule is greater than 0, then the negative value cannot be entered. Validation text. This property let you customize the error message which appear when the enter value is validated. You can use the property to specify the value is required in a field. It accepts the two value yes to ensure the field yes or no. You can specify yes or no. Primary key. Primary key is the standard feature of every database management system. A primary key is a sort of check on the table that every record in the table is unique. The field which is designed as the primary key of a table neither have duplicate nor it can be blank. Suppose we have the student table that contains the record regarding to the student. The student roll number field can be set the primary key since all the roll number are unique for each student. You cannot consider the student name field primary. For primary key, there are always possibility that more than one student class. Field property. Setting the primary key. To set a primary key, follow the given steps. In design view, click on the field that you want to set the primary key. This selected field will be highlighted. Click on the primary key button present in the tool group and design tab. Right click on the field and select the primary key option from the context menu. The field will be set as the primary key indicated by the small key selector. Click on the choose button, close button to close access. Access promote the message window will be appear. Yes, click on yes button and save the change. Now, the primary key is a toggle key. To remove the primary key, check from a field, select the field and click the primary key button. Now, editing table in MS Access 2016. After entering the data in a table, sometimes required to make the change in data. This can be done in the following way. To edit a record directly, scroll through the record, use the record navigation pane button. Double click on the cell where you want to make change. Type the information in the field. A pencil icon appears on the extreme right side of the record selector column indicate the edit. Click outside of the record to apply the change. Inserting deleting field in a datasheet view means how can we delete and insert field. Open a table in a datasheet view. Right click on the field and left of which you want to insert a new field. The context menu will be appear. Select the insert field option. The new field named as a field 1 will be inserted on the left side of the selected field. The select field on the right of which you want to insert the new field. On the field tab and add and delete group, choose the data type of the field for the field. The new field name as the field 1 will be inserted on the right side of the selected field. Okay, so likewise you can delete a field and two ways. Right click on the field to be deleted and select delete field option from the context menu. Your field will be deleted. Selected field will be deleted and then click on the delete option in the record group on the home tab. Okay, there are two view and click on OK. Yes, your field will be deleted. Moving a field. Click on the field header, drag and drop the field to the desired location. While dragging, will you find the thick dark line appear between the field? This indicates the position where the field will be placed. Okay, as you release the mouse button and selected field will be placed at the new location. You see, hide and unhide field means आप hide और unhide कैसे कर सकते हो field को. Right click on the column header that you want to hide the select hide field option from the context menu.
If to unhide the field, right click on any column heading and select the unhide field option from the context menu. To open the unhide column dialog box, select and clear the check box of the control which field should be visible. So likewise, we can freeze or unfreeze the column sorting data within a table. Means how can we sort data in a table? You can sort data within a table with respect to the particular field either in a ascending or descending order. To sort data, follow the step given below. First is select the field that you wish to sort. जो field आप sort करना चाहते हैं उसको select करेंगे. Click on the drop down arrow next to be right of the field or right click on the field. Select the either the sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest option. If the field is numeric, or the selected sort A to Z or Z to A if the field is alphanumeric. Okay, observe the change in the database. Means you can observe the change of the database. Likewise, the sort button ascending and descending on the home tab. जो sorting का बटन है वो हमारे home tab पे होता है sort और filter group में. Another way to sort time. To clear your sort, click on remove sort command on the home tab. Sort filter group from sort filter group. Okay, so directly you can do from there. Filtering in a data sheet view. Filtering in a data sheet. You can filter the data in a data sheet. Means filter कर सकते हो आप data को. The step to filter data in a data sheet are as follow. Firstly, click on the drop down arrow present at the right of the column header whose data you want to filter. Means जिसका डाटा आपने फिल्टर करना है उसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे. By default SS selected all the check boxes under the text filter option. Means जो भी ऑप्शन होंगे वो सभी आएंगे उसमें. Click the select all the check box. All the selected check boxes will be deselected as shown in the figure. Okay, now select the item that you want to display on your datasheet view. You can select as many items as you want. Means आपने जो item select करने हैं वही आप show करोगे. Here we selecting the name of only 3 students. Click OK. Now only 3 students will be display here. The filter icon will be appear of the right side. It indicates that the column is filter. से क्या हुआ? Filter हो गया column. If you point at the first icon SS show the filter criteria. मीन जो आपने सेटिंग की थी वही आपको शो होगा. यू कैन रिमूव द फिल्टर बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द टॉगल फिल्टर बटन एंड शॉर्ट फिल्टर ग्रुप ऑन द होम टैब. जो हमारा फिल्टर बटन होता है वो हमारा होम टैब पे होता है. यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट द डाटा सेट इज बैक इट्स ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. हमारी जैसे ही उसको प्रेस किया तो हमारा जो डाटा था वो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ गया. नेक्स्ट इज एडवांस फिल्टर इन डाटा शीट. Advanced filter is quite similar to the multi-level sort in a Microsoft Excel. जैसे हम Microsoft Excel में करते हैं वैसा ही है. An advanced filter can really help you to narrow down your records. This is like running in a miniature query only on one table. To apply an advanced filter, select the class column header. Click on the drop down arrow present at the right of it. Select the number filter option. Cascading menu will be appear. Display the option as on the figure. Select any of the option from the list. मीन्स इसमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन क्लिक करें आप. Here are the selecting the equal option. हमने क्या किया है, इक्वल ऑप्शन किया है. The custom filter dialog box will be appear. Type 12 in the class is equal to the text box and click OK. This display all the record of the class 12th student. मीन्स यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको 12th क्लास के स्टूडेंट का रिकॉर्ड मिलेगा. सर्चिंग इन अ डाटाबेस मीन्स हम सर्चिंग कैसे करते हैं डाटाबेस में. नाउ देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन यू रिक्वायर टू पार्टिकुलर डाटा इन योर डाटा शीट. It becomes very difficult when you are not sure about its exact location. अगर आपको exact location नहीं पता तो पता नहीं लगता ना उसमें. The search box located at the bottom of the SS window make it easy to use. Enter a part of all word, phrase, date and number in the search box and press enter. SS highlights the corresponding characters that matches your search as shown in the figure. To find a next matching record, press the enter key again. SS find all record that match that your search criteria anywhere in your data sheet. Now we will discuss here closing SS application means how can we close SS applications. After finishing the work in the Access, click on the close option in the file tab to close current database. Okay, to close Microsoft Access application, click on the close button present at the extreme right of the Access window. Okay, so it is advisable to mention the short file name that relate to the information you store in your database. मीन्स आपकी फाइल का जो है वो शॉर्ट में होना चाहिए. ओपनिंग एंड एग्जिस्टिंग डाटाबेस. अब हम उस डाटा को ओपन कैसे करेंगे, एग्जिस्टिंग डाटा को. सेलेक्ट द ओपन ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द फाइल टैब. सेलेक्ट द डाटाबेस फ्रॉम द रिसेंट लिस्ट इफ प्रेजेंट और क्लिक ऑन द ब्राउज फोल्डर and select the desired database from the open dialog box. Okay, click on the open button. The selected database will be opened.